Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by copying the exact source range. Do it now. Once copied, move to the destination cell and use right-click right arrow paste special right arrow paste link so Excel inserts live formulas that reference the source. This creates equals sheet 1. A1 style references automatically. That's why you get real-time updates. Make sure you copied the right shape and size because paste link maps each source cell to a corresponding target cell. If you prefer manual control, type equals and click the source cell to build a single link. Once the links exist, adjust how they behave. Paste link uses relative addresses by default, so when you fill or copy the linked cells, references shift. If you want fixed targets, edit formulas to include $ for absolute references. For multiple cells, paste link creates matching formulas across the range automatically, which saves time. Also, if linking large ranges or whole columns, make sure Excel performance remains acceptable. Consider linking only the needed rows, or using tables to manage dynamic range. To finish, save the source and destination files so Excel preserves link paths. If the source is external, keep its file name and sheet name consistent. Once done, use data right arrow edit links to force updates, change the source or break links when you need static values. A common problem is #ref or stale values. If that happens, make sure the source workbook hasn't been renamed or moved and confirm you enabled automatic updates. If necessary, reopen the source so Excel can refresh the linked formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.